Hello, my name is Aisha and this is the Lost in Green channel run by me and my dad. We have been growing for about 4 or 3ish weeks and this is what it looks like. So we've been growing lots of different types of vegetables in here. So this is a walkthrough. So at the very end we have some red radishes that are about to be ready to be harvested. So you can check out that video where we harvest them. Then we have some spring onions over here, and because it's been hot, they're getting the heat they need. Next we have white radishes, and they're a bit bigger than the red ones, but they're still as tasty. Then we have
Spinach.
some spinach over here, and I think they're almost maybe another week until they're ready to be harvested. Then we have some of my favorite things to add on top of our dishes, coriander. Now, if we come over here a bit more,
Spinach again.
we have some more spinach. This one's a bit more bigger because there's more. Then we have a nice Bangladesh area over here where we do Bangladesh plants. So over here we have our Bangladesh plant named
Data.
and then it's data all over here. As you can see here is from our garden is our vegetable patch where we grow lots of vegetables. And step one I do is usually just water them. And here we grow coriander, we grow white radishes and red radishes and a few other plants. But my favorite are the red radishes because they taste really good. Then over here is our red radishes. Coming over here is, I'm not sure what they are.
They're spring onions.
Spring onions. And this whole thing is white radishes. Then here is also white radish.
No, spinach.
Spinach. Then here's our coriander. And over here is our, what is it? And it's a really hot day, so I like watering my plants on hot days. It's really open. So then, yeah, we can walk on here when we want to take more of a closer look. My dad and me take care of these. We grow them in 4 weeks ago and we take care of them mostly by adding fertilizer. So we have some fertilizer over in the we have them over in the radish section because we grow radishes sometimes. And we did a video of harvesting radishes. If you would like. What the radishes look like all washed. The white radish, it's a bit bigger, and 2 red radishes we have it. And now you can use them in any type of cooking or maybe some baking or anything you can use them in. And I just washed them off and you can see the little dirt there. So just wash them off and then you can use them in any cooking.